Hello and welcome. Now we're looking at how to allow PTC licenses through a firewall. There are two versions of the license manager, the LM admin version, which is web-based, and the LMGRD version, which is the old LM tool, sort of an older version, LM tools user interface. First we'll look at the FlexNet admin license version, the LM admin version. Okay, if we want to change the port, what we've got to do is change the port or control the port. Here, so we're using port 7788 for the license server manager, and we're using some random port for the vendor daemon. Now what we need to do is change this to a port which we control. Normally we just go one more than the license server, so 7789. Okay, we save that. Now we need to come into Windows services and restart that license manager. Okay, and now we've got, if we refresh this page, we log in again, you can see we're using this port. So with respect to the firewall, we come in here, we can create a rule, a new rule, which is going to be for port 7788, 7789. Okay, the port we've chosen in our license manager, if that's available. So basically, okay, you can call this whatever you want. Okay, so that's the firewall rule. So that same rule would be applicable for the other type of license, which is the LM tools. So this is the LM tools user interface. We go into config services. We can see this is the name of the service that we have, and this is where the license file is. So for this version, we control the port a slightly different way. We need to open up the license file, and we need to add that port to the end of the vendor daemon line. So you can see we've got 7788 here, 7789 here. Okay, we save that, and in the same way as we just did before, we can go to this particular service here and restart. Now this isn't running for me because I've got both versions of the license manager on my machine, which is never a good idea. I've only done it for demo purposes, but that's how you could add the license, allow a license to pass through a Windows firewall.